Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you nutritious brown rice khichdi. For making this recipe, I took 1 cup brown rice, half cup red lentils. Soak both the ingredients for 15 minutes. Prepare some pieces of mixed vegetable like pumpkin, brinjal and beans. Cut them into big size, wash and drain out the water. Turn on the heat, boil 4 glass water, then add soaked dal and rice. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Add 2 teaspoons salt and a teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix the salt and turmeric powder and cook for another 5 minutes over medium-high heat. Then add mixed vegetables. You can add the mixed vegetables according your choice. Put a lid, cook for 20 minutes over medium-low heat. After 20 minutes, open the lid. See our dal rice is well cooked. Give a good mix, well combine. Turn on the heat, put a earthen pot. Add 4 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot, add a teaspoon fenugreek seed and 3 to 4 dried red chili. Saute for few seconds until it's fragrant. Then add few curry leaves. Reduce the heat, add a pinch hing and saute until the red chilies are darkened. Firstly add 1 big spoon cooked dal rice, mix well, then add the remaining cooked dal rice. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes over medium to high heat and keep stirring continuously. Give a good mix, well combine the vegetables. Our yummy dal rice khichdi is done. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Add a teaspoon ghee. Adding ghee will enhance the flavor and taste. Serve this khichdi with pumpkin fry and papad.